Can you say mama?
Mama.
Can you say dada?
Dada.
What does a dog say? What does a goose say?
Mama, mama.
What does a horse say? Yeah. What does a duck say?
Dada.
Quack, quack. Can you blow me a kiss? Good job. Can you say clock? Clock. Can you say more? More. Good job. Can you say water?
Mama.
Good job. Can you say bubbles?
Dada.
Where's your nose? Yeah, you hear the doggy? Where's your nose? Yeah, it's a doggy. Nose. Kylie, where's your hair? Good job. Where's your eye? Where's your eye? Yeah, good job. Where are your ears? Ears. Where are your cheeks? Cheeks. Where are your teeth? Good job. Where's your diaper? Diaper. Good job. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye.